Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the ghost touch issue on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. So first of all, check for any accessory interference. If you have a case applied on your smartphone, remove it and see if this helps resolve your issue. Maybe your screen protector is interfering with some parts of your display. It might also be your screen protector, so the glass screen protector on your device's display that is interfering with your touch, and in such case you're gonna have to replace it. But just to make sure it's not anything else, we can first of all update our device to the latest version. To do that, go to settings, scroll down to system, go to advanced, find system updates, open them, and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Check if you have any updates for your smartphone, and if you do, let your smartphone download and install them before continuing, and check if this resolves your issue. Maybe this will resolve your issue itself. Now, besides, if this won't help you, we can still adjust some settings in our device by going to settings menu, accessibility. Then here in accessibility, first of all, let's check touch and hold delay. Now if you get accidental touches all the time and open apps accidentally all the time, change touch and hold delay from short to medium, maybe even long, but this way it will be quite maybe quite inconvenient for you to use your device, but yeah, adjust it to yourself. Now if you are using the gesture navigation in system navigation, then adjust your gesture navigations by adjusting the dead zones. So you can, for example, make your left edge lower and your right edge lower. Then it will be harder for you to trigger this these actions. And so yeah, that's basically all we can do. If nothing helps you, then you can try to remove your screen protector and see if this helps you, and if not, then this must be some sort of a hardware issue, and unfortunately it's something that we can only fix in the service center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.